Hello, welcome over playing Puppet again today. We're gonna ignore the chat. Seriously right now? Let's say the chat isn't a good idea today. Add disinfection mode. That makes everything better. Remind the last person left. Yep, and I'm dead. Are you kidding me? You know what? That's okay. Whatever. I like my puppet anyway. This is like one of my favorite puppets right here. The one that I'm playing right now. The skin. My favorite. Literally my favorite puppet skin. Oh my god, I might have to censor at the chat. Um, I really might have to censor that out. Um, yeah, I'm probably gonna censor that out. Alright. Um, I'm sorry if I was quiet there for the moment. I'm just processing that um, you know, I feel like the last person probably is glitched somewhere. Oh, and the Sean Weaver girl, dude, you're done. Oh my, what the teleportation woman? Uh, but where's the last person? I bet they're glitching. Oh yeah, can, can y'all see this? If it will let me today, but I can go through vents. A certain thing if it will let me. Um, certain vents I can go through with this thing. I can try to. I'll try to find one that I can go through. Give me a second. I think I can go through this one. Yeah, she had just went through that vent as a puppet. It's really nice. Look at this woman. Dude, you're not getting away with this? Girl, there's 50 of us. You're getting away? She really think? Oh yeah, I'm playing with my friend right now. Ooh. Well, you know. Oh my god. Where's the last person? I'm pretty sure they're glitched somewhere. We just need to find them. Or whatever. I guess we're gonna server swap right now. Um, yeah. Alright. So, we're in a new server now. And, we're gonna play. I'm just waiting for the intermission to be over. Ish. I don't know how many uploads I'm gonna do a day. I just have been doing some. So, I don't really know how many it's gonna be. But, uh, we'll find out. I don't think it's gonna be the same every day. I think it's gonna be like at least one every day. You know, that's all I'm thinking for now. As I'm new, you know, Waiting for this game to start air? Okay, who's puppet? Okay, that guy's puppet. Girl, sorry that girl is puppet. Oh, it looks like she's had experience. I think. Because of her level is high, so, we might die easily. Why did they choose this map? Why of all maps did they choose this map? You know what? Whatever. As long as we escape, I'm fine with any map. You know? What is the door? Is it red door? I think it is. I don't remember. What key goes to the inside? I think it's pink. Never mind. The red key was correct. Okay. I thought I was wrong. Oh, look at the crowbar. Forget where this goes in this map, because I don't really play this map often. I'm more used to the other maps, because this one doesn't get chosen. Like, really often when I play, so. Do we need to find some more keys here? Oh, puppet's upstairs. It's a rainbow puppet. All that puppet kill those guys up there while I just, go find some more keys. Hopefully. I literally just ran into that thing. Oops. I ran into it again. Why do I keep doing that? Don't mind me yawning. I'm just really tired today. I decided to sleep on the floor last night. Cause I just decided to sleep on the floor last night. Though, and I kept waking up, so. Well. Okay. We got this. What if this round does take forever? I might have to shorten the video up. I don't know. Depends on, but they can handle oh my, go, no, not like this. Not Oh my god, I just juked her. Oh my god, girl, shoot her. Dude. Oh my gosh, you didn't even shoot her. Do you saw her chasing me? Why? Why would you not shoot her? Oh my god. That makes that's aggravating. Where does a red wrench go? Does it need to even be used yet? I don't know if it needs to be used. Oh, there's a green wrench. Red wrench been used. So now I'm gonna take the green wrench. Hopefully I can unlock that. Just need to find the board. Think I know where the green wrench goes. I just need to find the board. Yet green wrench still needs to be used. I think it goes over there somewhere or down here. Damn it. No. Now. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Well, I guess that's it for today. Thanks for all watching today.